We're at this place called Elephant Fall. This is downstream of the DaLat Fall. Okay, from the one I went yesterday. I'm gonna take you to the fall. It's really beautiful. Elephant Waterfall. There's a place you can order coffee and drink here and chill. And this is where the fall is. Go down these steps to the fall. It's called Elephant Fall. Okay, so let's head down. Okay. The fall is over there. So we're gonna head down these steps. And I'm gonna make sure I don't fall. Okay. You gotta be careful with these steps. With these steps here. It's really beautiful. There's nobody here actually. Nobody here. Except us. Wow, look at this. It's so majestic, man. Oh my God, it's amazing. Look at that. Oh my God. Yeah, it's a fall. It's only fall, man. Fall, it's only fall. Đừng té nha. Wow, look at that. Dangerous. Whoa. Wow, it's so majestic. This water is gonna end up in Saigon. That's where they get their drinking water. It's from here. This is called the Elephant Fall. It's about, I don't know how many kilometers, but this is downstream of the other fall, the DaLat Fall that we went yesterday in DaLat. And this water is gonna end up in the south, in Saigon. So this is where they get the drinking water. So majestic. Oh, wait on again. You can actually go down there too. I think there's a way down there. It's really loud. I think you can go down there, but I don't know how to get down there, but it's dangerous. And look. The Buddha. Đứng đây là con đây nào, come over here. Nắm đây. Hold the rail. Wow, look at that. So mystical, huh? So majestic and mystical. Yeah, me and you, right? You nắm con. Stand over here. Stand here. Right here, it's fine. Right here, yeah. Show Kyla. You can show this to Kyla.
This is a screaming contest.
You can scream, nobody hear you. Yeah, loud. So majestic. This is Elephant Fall. I didn't even know this place exists. The taxi guy brought us here. This is downstream of the DaLat Fall. We went yesterday, so yeah. All right, man. Hey, Calvin, John, Timmy, Gilbert, come to DaLat, man. Come to Vietnam. This is the trail. Okay. To get back up, this is the trail. It's kind of sketchy, so you gotta hang on. Okay. I don't think old people can come here. Only young people, I think. So this will take you back up. This is the how to get down to that area earlier, and this will take you back up. This will take you back up higher. Okay. So I gotta go first and make sure I grab my daughter. Huh? Almost bit you, right? The dog almost bit you. This little tiny dog is so mean. Đứng yên chỗ không? Jack got a dog here. Yeah, I'm resting here. There's a little bench here. We were there earlier. We were down there. We were down there a little bit. This is so beautiful. This is one of the best fall I've been to. You know, because the way they design these trails here. You know. Now when you go that way, there's a coffee, they're planting coffee that way. And I just want to rest here. Now. The soil here in Vietnam, the soils here are always wet. So because it's raining every day, so you don't need to irrigate or water them because it rains pretty much every day or year round. Maybe in the dry season, maybe once a week. I think, I'm not sure, but during summertime it rains every day. These are good soil. They probably don't have to add anything, amendment, fertilizer. Just everything grows. I mean, anything you plant here grows. I'm glad Vietnam helped preserve places like this, and I hope people keep it clean. No one hope they don't litter. I saw a family of 4, a husband and wife and 2 kids, and they rode a scooter here. Shout out to Kevin, or Kelvin, John, Gilbert, my cousin, and Timmy. We were here last time. I didn't get to come here last time. I've been here twice already, but I haven't been here. So it's my first time here. Yeah, shout out to Kevin. Shout out to Kelvin, John, Timmy, my cousin, and Gilbert. Oh, there's people down there. From DaLat, Elephant Fall. Want to go for a swim? Cười không? Cười. Yay. Wow, let me do a 360. Doing the center at the rail. Let's go down there, girl. Let's go down there, come on. Té nha con. Would you turn off the water, please? Turn off the water. This way. Would you turn off the water?
I can't.
You can. Turn off the water.
We're wasting water.
Yeah, we're wasting a lot of water. So much water, look at this.
Wasting water.
Stand against the rail, go. Against the rail. See? Against the rail. All right, this is the upper fall. I mean, the upper portion of the fall. Look at this. They added a pump here. I don't know why they added a pump here. But this is the upper portion of the fall. And dangerous, so you cannot climb over. Look at this. And then you have a drop. See the drop there? Look at the drop. Yeah. All right, kind of come over here. Rồi, hả? Chụp rồi. Hôm nay lên đó à? Chụp rồi. Mới chụp rồi. Quay xíu à. Wow. You can't climb, but look at this. Look at that, man. We're right up to it. We're right up to the fall. That's incredible. In DaLat, man. Come to DaLat. It's like this year round. This much water. Oh, look at all those trash. Look at all the trash down there. Buddha. This area is protected, sort of, but I don't know how it's gonna hold. If it's gonna collapse or not, I'm not sure, but imagine working outside of this, working outside the rail, outside this area. Hướng này nè, hướng này nè. Can someone turn off the water? Turn off the water. Feel about this place? Good. How would you rate it? Rate it 10? What's your favorite part of this area or this morning so far? What's your favorite part of this morning? The slide? No, the waterfall. No, the waterfall. No. Oh no, I like this the best. Yeah.
It's a waterfall.
Yeah, okay. I dare you to jump down there. Or I dare you to come out and float down there. That must be, I don't know, maybe 20 stories high. At least 20 stories high, I think. So. It's amazing how it's not eroding the soil here.